Welcome. In front of me is a Tecno Spark Go, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications and extend the list by swiping down once more. This will reveal a bunch of toggles, which one of them is the ultra power. Now I guess we have only this one. I'm gonna look on the second page, but yeah, there's nothing here. Let's see if we can, add toggles. The reason why I'm looking for other ones is because the ultra power will be a little bit more intensive power saving mode, which not everybody might want to enable it, but it looks like that's the only one. So anyway, I'm gonna tap on it, select enable, and there we go. As you can see, it enables the power saving mode, the ultra one, allowing us to access only 3 apps: calendar, messages, phone, and everything else is basically turned off. Now to disable this mode, you just click right here on exit and OK. Now there's also another chance that if I hold this toggle, sometimes you do have also the power saving mode normal one here, but yeah, like you can see, ultra power saving is the only one we have access to. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.